Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show tabs on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open settings menu on your device. Well, after that here you can select about font option. And then you can activate developer option by pressing this 7 times. Well, and then here you can exit, and then you can scroll, and then you can select additional settings. Okay, and then in this section you can scroll to the bottom and then press developer options. Well, and then to show tabs on your device, here you can scroll down, and you can find show tabs option. Well, after that please turn it on by pressing the button next to the option here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to show tabs on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.